horrible eyesore. Look at that. I mean, it just sticks out like a big pimple. Yeah, that right there. You can't miss it. Look at how it just bright right on a otherwise gorgeous car. Oh, now that I pointed it out, you can't miss it, can you? Yeah. Hey, it's Gilbert here. And in this video, we're going to replace the super bright, basically white almost, side blinkers with some smoked ones. Yeah, David from the local Miata club had some, and he was nice enough to give them to me. So we're going to show everybody how to install them. If you have a body tool, a little thin one, you can slide them in here, bottom or top, and push. I'll show you here. You would slide them here or up here, and you would push in, and that would allow this to come out a little. Then you can pull it out. So you can do it that way if you want. I don't have one that's thin and strong enough where I'm going to risk scratching anything. So what we're going to do, the nylon pins, using a small flathead, pop the centers out. Then you can pull them completely out. That allows you to clean behind them. Oh, no. That allows you to reach in here. You might want to clean behind them. Reach in and up. Take 467. With your wheel turned so you can reach behind here easier. You're going to reach in and up. You're going to press the back clip towards the front. Of course, my arm is perfectly in the way of the camera, so you can't see it. All right. There you go. Here's the replacement one. I took where my finger is here, and I squeezed it towards the front, and then it popped out just a little bit. And that allows you to pull it out like so. There's a clip right here. What I found works best, flathead screwdriver. This one happens to be bent. Slide it in like so, and you're going to want to press this piece right here, like so. Hopefully you can see that move. And then pull that one out. Now, while you have this out, be sure to clean this dirt. You will just make sure your pins are lined up. Snap it in. Let me clean it while I got it out. Now with it nice and clean, slide it back in. The front side goes in first. Back side just snaps right in. And there you go. your nylon pins after you've cleaned behind it. Push those in like so. And these all three are the same. There. How's it look? Hey, the big pimple's gone. Yes. All right. It wasn't that bad before, but it really is so much less noticeable now. And the ones that I put on are just still incandescent. They're not the LEDs, but the LEDs will go in the same way. And I want to thank David for giving me his extra ones. By the way, David went to full LEDs on his, and they look quite nice. So thanks for watching. Found it helpful? Please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.